Just drop all the ingredients, the tuna fish, the cream of mushroom sauce, the pesto sauce with cheese, and just add a little bit of grated cheese or Parmesan cheese, and then just add your pasta. Bring it to a boil for 5 minutes only, and then you're done. You have this wonderful healthy dinner. Happy healthy cooking and eating. Bye. Alright, so I added the boiled penny pasta. Just covering the pasta with our sauce, and we're done. Turn off your heat and serve it. Yum! Happy eating!